Howdy folks, today we're looking at how to get a price for any shed on the Sheds Direct Ireland website. Today we'll look at the Colossus Sheds, that's the 10 foot by 12 foot one, and you can see up the top here that it starts from 929. Now this price does not include delivery, it does not include assembly, so you might be wondering how do I get a price for me? Well, that's simple. Scroll down below this box here, you'll see you have a couple of options, and just make a selection from these three. Shed colour, I want a green one, so I'll scroll down and I'll pick green. Flat packed or assembled, I want it assembled. And for your county, you just want to pick where the shed will be. I'm in Dublin, so I will select Dublin. And after 2-3 seconds, you'll see the price appears here. 1409 at the time of writing. Brilliant. Now, if you decide, well, you know what, I don't want a split and fit, I want a flat packed. If you go up and change your option, the price will automatically update as well. Again, it takes 2-3 seconds, but you can see the price goes down there. Now, if you want to add on finishing touches as well, say like a padlock or tool hooks, things like that, you click these here and you'll see the price doesn't automatically update. If I scroll down, you'll see on the other side, there's the price change there. So just be aware, if you're adding on any extras, it won't appear at the top, it'll appear at the bottom. If you add any extras from the drop-down menus as well, you'll see the exact same thing happens, they appear at the bottom. It's as simple as that. You just need to make sure you pick one of everything from the shed colour, the flat packed or assembled, and your county, and an instant price will appear. It really is as simple as that. ShedsDirectIreland.com. We're bleeding Shedley.